Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, I am going to talk about a very special person in my life. Do you know who is the most important person in my life? It is my mother. My mother is a wonderful person. She is about 38 years old. She is a school teacher. She comes from a respectable family. She is sober and affectionate. I have one brother and one sister. I am the youngest. Mother takes great care of our education, food, and clothing. Her anxiety knows no bound when any of us becomes sick. In conclusion, my mother is the most important person in my life. I love her very much and respect her a lot. Thank you, everyone.